Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to keep your games automatically up to date on your Nintendo Switch. So if you keep coming to your Nintendo Switch and it seems like there's always something you have to download or something like that, well, you want to turn on the auto software download. So let's go to System Settings, scroll on down to System, go to the right, scroll on down under here. Let's go down to the bottom. We want to go to where it says Auto Update Software and turn this on. So this will automatically update your games and applications. So if you put your Nintendo Switch in a sleep mode or something like that, or when you come online, it should be automatically downloading these so you don't have to go to it and prompt it. So I think I just updated Rocket League, so maybe Paladins or something. If I went to this, I would have to update this. But otherwise you're going to have to manually do it. So you have to press the plus icon on the game, and then you should get this option. We can go to software update via the internet right here, and it checks for updates. But if you have that setting turned on, it will automatically do that for you. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.